Hello beautiful people, my name is Tailor and welcome back to my channel. If you are new on this channel, kindly consider subscribing. Also like, comment and share my video. Once again, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making a scrunchie. In my previous videos, we were able to make a fabric covered headband. We're able to make a button earring. Today we're making a matching scrunchie. So let's get started. These are the materials I'll be using. I'll be making a moderately sized scrunchie, but you can make yours bigger and you can make yours smaller. So for this size, I'll be making use of 20.5 by 5.5 inches. That is what I want to use. You can make yours bigger and you can make it smaller. It depends on what you want. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it into two and mark 2 inches at both ends. 2 inches here and 2 inches here. So I'm going to take it to my machine and sew from this 2 inches mark to this 2. So I'm going to sew from here to here. So I'll be right back. So I have done that. I have this 2 inches opening here and here also. So I have 2 inches here and 2 inches here. The next thing I'll need to do now is to turn this fabric to the right side by using a pin, or you can also use a seam ripper or whatever works for you. So as I do, I pull. You keep pulling. Don't forget the 2 inches we left at both sides, at both ends. So when you're almost there, you won't pull it out completely. You have to remove the pin and you have to align both ends together. So you have to align both ends together. So the next thing I have to do now is to go to my sewing machine and sew the ends together. I'll demonstrate that so you can see it. I have aligned both ends together. So I need to mention to you that there are several methods. Like, this is not just the method used for making this scrunchie. In the next video, we'll be making a scrunchie with a bow. So I'll be demonstrating another method. I'll be using another method to make this scrunchie, but for this video I'll be using this method. So let's go to the sewing machine to sew these ends together. You have to be careful when doing this. You have to align, make sure that the two sides are aligned. You have to align it and you have to be careful when doing that. This is what I have here after sewing it. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull, there are two sides here. So I'm just going to pull this out. By the time we pull it out, it's going to come to the right side of the fabric. Can you see this? So this is the opening. Just fold it in, and you can give it a press here if you'd like. So after turning, this is what I have here. This is the opening, and this is, we're going to insert our elastic through this opening and close it up later. So I'll just go ahead and cut my elastic. I'll be cutting out 8 inches because I'll tie. If I'm not tying, if I want to use my machine to join the elastic, I can use like 7 inches. Well, it actually depends on how tight you want it to be. If you want it to be so wide, you can increase it to like 9 inches or 10 inches. But I just want mine to be 7 inches. Just tie as if you're tying a knot. Twice is good. Okay, then I'll just go to my machine and close up this end. I'll show you. This is the opening. So near the end, I'm just gonna, so I have to make it close to the end of the fabric. And make sure you align it. This is where we joined. So just do a slight adjustment. I love to conceal where I joined by pulling it inside. So just do a slight adjustment and voila. Our scrunchie is ready. In the next video, we'll be making a scrunchie with a bow. We'll be adding a twist to it, and I'll be demonstrating another method of making this scrunchie. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to share this video with your friend, and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you will be notified first. So thank you for stopping by, and remember that you are amazing.